My name is Sunita. I am teaching education for 11 and 12 class. Unit number 3 the agencies of education ni lai se dunanga si formal agencies of education. Formal agency the lai do is schools and the types of schools like ni ko. And the types of schools is the kari no hai na koina syllabus ta khodi yauri se elementary schools, secondary schools, residential schools and the technical schools, and then different types of schools gi matang da naina se adu ahan bada school is the study center of learning ne sagi study koina larik tam doi se aduna the formal system of education se koina kadai dei phang doi no hai matam da school hai ne aduna the school is imparted the formal system of education sini ado school se ka do establish tawrin akoi gi society or a group of people sing school sing establish tawi kari gi damak ta for giving the education to the next generation and the fit for them hai the next generation si education pina ba makoi sing si fit oina bagi damak ta school sing se koina gam akoi ne society or a group of people or society government sing school sing se linkhali ne establish tawri bane ahan ba da school ha ba se kamai to lakhibano then school lai si kamai horakhibano ha ba gi magi hetang brief koi gi mamang da thokiba history ha ba tari si ha petang yang si then the word school has been originated from the Greek word skol which means ledger. That is a school have a say when a Greek word like Panima ledger the hangum tam having go. The young matam daikoina missing sina kugi school have a gi platforms lating among the institutions lating among the missing in a group conversation down about then meeting toba makoising the group discussion to bas mina tam sum tomba the gidi I am tam sum developed never. Then about say 425 AD adwai the school have a siki magi format se laki bani my development se laki bani then school has just mind tam laki bani to hanadi lower primary schools is the schools in chita makoi gitamta dumina established of then chakhula ping medung ina mathang magi step by step sim laki bani schools is mina tam no koina established or kibani school have a poche yang lingai matam dadi informal nature da koina tami ba oja guru shiksha ge mari leina ba se informal nature da leram bani adubu hai ba matam da gidi the school have developed or kibani and the school is a place where received formal education. Sagi formal education have the important system of education do adunga sagi school have sidagi loin phanga khibane matam du dagi horaga ko. The term is considered to be a place where education imparted from nursery to university. Have the school sida min tawdoi se koin school have the mafam sida min tawdoi si nursery daina university level bok da tami base koine school haina su min taweba duga marak so idura mo magi step kano magi stage sum khaido khibe bani duga consider ti mase kai na ham tamda nursery to university min tawe. The learners assemble here, sit together under a same roof, learn from the same teacher and irrespective of caste, creed, color, sex and etc. Habadi koina mafam amda pulap learners in pulap haminaraga same bench da same desk da haminaraga ko aduga koina oja amadagi same teacher dagi khoi miam sin chap manaba koi learn tok doini madai da koi khenaba caste khenaba creed khenaba then acho ba macha haba leite then macha nupa haba sex haba si yaudana pulap chap manana koina education se phangba du karai dei no haba matam da koi school haba si dagi phang dori bane aduna school have a city sagi next generation sing si koina intellectual oina bagi damakta education chipi ne bagi damakta agudumba platform mafam adu boy koina institution du kadai kari ko gi hamtan da school have is ne in the modern concept di ke the school have is not only the teaching learning place na treko hojik ta di ke the miyoi ba magi have the individual magi all the activities me am sing se develop to na ba mafam adu oi eba hojik ti have the my the learning center se ka have the all round develop oina mafam adu oi re sida adagi de amuk akoina akoigi community different communities me am like re communities me am sing different akoigi learners me am sing si makoina amaga cooperate tawnaga then socialization tawnaga makoi sing se interact tawnaga tawba mafam ni ko akoi school harise aduna aina definition am khatang mafam sida I haige definition dudi according to John Dewey na school gi matang da harami kariyarami the school is a miniature society habidi school have a miniature society amagumba ni miniature society ni haina hairami ko aduna school have is a place where the formal education is received similarly ko aduna akoin heg yeng ba matam da school college and university institutions ji heg yeng ba matam da all like tam hamni have mi pum kun mun loi khange ba aduna makha tarak padang sai types of the schools yeng si han bada elementary stage have si kadai bu ko ge ham tam da primary education duni primary education is known as the elementary habadi magi chahi na is covered from 6 to 14 years and the course cover from class 1 to 8 habdi angang si class 6 bapa chahi taruk tagina chahi tara mari phawa then class na 1 to 8 se koina machibu primary or elementary education haina ko masai da koina lower primary and the upper primary smaina musu khaidok pasu ai ko ani thokna khaidok pasu ai but khoigi hariba elementary stage se asi karamba stage no haiba matamda this stage of education is the birthright of an individual because it includes in the Indian constitution also abadi ngasagi elementary haiba ngasagi sahi tara mari phawgi education se sidi mi amagi poklokpagi birthright ne ba habidi akoina fundamental right as yawri ne ba right to education the yawri ko pokla adi ma nupa hoigera nupi hoigera high caste hoigera low caste hoigera ma pokla di free and the compulsory education should be given haidana yawli jarabane ba hana articles number 45 of Indian constitution yawme ba each and every person should be given the free and the compulsory primary education up to the age of the 14 years and hani yawle khrabane ba adu after the 86th amendment of the Indian constitution se lakpada ki di hujik tadi kari hoigre articles number 21 clause a da si semdo kare kari ni hai kare heading sagi 40 articles number 45 the yaram bado hojingna mu 21 clause a si da hojiki hariba jahi category have the elementary education se free ohinga dabani have the semdo kare 86th amendment of Indian constitution da have madugi kotho mu yengsi the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children the age of the 6 to 14 years in such manner as the state may by law determine asmai tau da koina Indian constitution da sim chem krabani adundi mi pung khuding ma se magi polopagi but right of education se kadai phawi level no habi matam da up to class 8 phawne aduna mi amana government employee kogi individual amana citizen amana koina government ki employee ogi haita agadi thabak tawge haita agadi the minimum qualification che kya hogi de have matam da this is the minimum qualifications have the class 8 na minimum qualification hogi ni ma to for qualified the government job amata na class 8 pass is na compulsorily hogi da bane ba aduna masina akogi elementary education have sidi mi pung kuding makta pre and compulsory primary education se phangalo haidin Indian constitution yaw le rabani ba class 8 phawse sigi elementary education se lower matung da dimi do kari na haidoi ba ma sa literate person haina count to doine ba ma like haire have se count to doi se after the cross of the class 8 se si oi doine ba ko aduna mi pung kuding ma se lai haigadabani have do class ka phangno have do chahi tara mari bhawa class 8 pass sina kai ko ge have da elementary education haina ko next secondary mu yang siko hadi elementary mathang da secondary haidoni secondary di karamba stage bano haibdu yang se secondary stage is defined as an intermediate between the elementary and the university level haina ko gi higher studies kara wangkhat ki ba do adugi ga dinga gi minimum qualification of the individual that means class 8 fabu do adugi marak ta legi do sina secondary level haina ko secondary level so koina ani thongna dum khaidok pa yai lower secondary haiba ma then higher secondary haiba ma lower secondary da nang sa ge class 9 and 10 in lower secondary kore then 11 and 12 in higher secondary kore masiki secondary higher level se asi this very much important because this level of education is just like the backbone of the higher studies masagi higher studies is gi younglen sarugum bane habani sigi high ba matam sigi education se achuki matik yam important oeba that it is mainly responsible for choosing the further traits of the learners हाबदी ngसाई फर्दर चटखिदोरिबा माई साइड साइड ट्रेड ट्रेड चटखिदोइदो आफ्टर द सेकेंडरी लेवल से चटखिदोइनी ना मसिगी हाइरिबा स्टेज से अचुकी मतिक मरु ओइबा अदुना सिगिदा तमगदोरिबा आंगांग सिंचिसु अखोगी एडोलेसेंस हाइबा ग्रुप असि ओइरिनी अदु एडोलेसेंस हाइबादी अखोइना थेंगनारे एडोलेसेंस हाइजी हाउ फार मखोइ सिंचे यामना अखोगी यामना कलरफुल चेंज ओइबा मखोगी यामना पुनिंग लेता दबा अखोगी अदुगुबा स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रांग गुमनी हाइदना मखोइ स्टेज लेजरिबनी अदुना अखोगी फिजिकल इशू मखोइ सिंसे यामना डिफिकल्ट ओइबा एज वेल एज एजुकेशन जो अचुकी मतिक डिफिकल्ट ओइबा हाइबादी हाइरिबा स्टेज से अचुकी मतिक मरु ओइखरेबा. Then after this trade, various trades are going differently. See, hello, but they never mind. Quickly, don't the trade. Like Janaki doing at the neighbor. I don't know. Angang Chicadore, Yam, quickly after Sigi secondary level, Sigi, quick 3 class, capacity, Angang knowledgeable or a then active minded or a then questions a responsible person. Some joy. I can have them the Sagi Mugoishing the class. Zahi Nitra Pansura, the Indian constitution as there. Mokogi both had the way right till hell labor. Madame Maduna, Sagi voting right labor, Nina Mokoja. Quick responsible person, a much oil, Madam sister. I don't know the Giamna, Quiggy social, Yam sociable or batch, Yam Adugubagi, Madam Shoy, do not get high bar, secondary high levels. It is very much important to go intermediate or say. Adeda Secondary Education Commission or Mudaliar Commission 1952-53. Have the Mudaliar has Madras University Vice Chancellor ni Matamdagi Dr. Laxmana Swami Akogi Mudaliar Sinaman Jamin or Matam Dumo Commission same company. The commission some report submitted. The commission suggested 3 major reform in the secondary education. Have the high riba commission same matungda Hana Sanariba secondary education to Adrigi Hena Paganabigi the Maktam Coin point home reform town of the India government Shamitoi reorganization of the pattern of education. Have the Janaramiba pattern do Mohana reorganized over Chitan Chamtok Shimjin Toba, Kita Hena Paganabaniko. Then number 2 the diversification of curriculum. That Tamamiba curriculum adusu. Modify to modify to the Hadi Matamduki channel about modify to Bahanagi traditional over Sindutado or Sonda Kitam Kukichana and Matamatamdugicana about Shemakadoriba. Then number 3 the reform in the examination system. Examinations is type of examinations may am like Asida Henapamong the Shem Nabitamata reform of examinations issue. One of the point in a Mokanisamit here. I don't know Matamda Gi secondary level of education say as minor reformations in Lakivani Aduga secondary stage high education say it is very much important for the further education. Next a type of education that is the residential schools. Residential schools the have the residential schools are known as the boarding schools. Boarding schools boarding schools see we have residential schools I know so school school things the boarding facilities schools like boarding facility khara school do adu boarding school la no adu the boarding school ko ya de ko adu di sumnagi angang kharagi angang akhogi khara lap khiba angang na traga ma gi khudong cha da angang kharagi da makta boarding facilities pi bane ba adu mang na school du gi maming boarding school sana ko boti na te ba adu boarding schools ti kana ko gi have the students of the residential school reside in the school premises except during vacation and no outsider are allowed to attend in it. Habadi Tamgodor Angang sing a school the pull school do premises the leg that is called the residential schools. I know whenever. Example that Queen Chinese school Gumba, Nabodia Gumba, High Sikwa, Asukuma Sing say Queen residential schools. I know no residential schools and over scheme Miami Makada and over school residential schools Miami who established a Aduna residential schools gi magi masida magi kana basu yam lay aduna residential school da lay minari angang sing se different culture different communities me am da lak angang sing chini adu mokoi da yamna khoi yam nungsina na machimana oina loina bagi adu bagi mokoi da asigi yam phaba potam lay then mokoi masen makta da yam khoi yam dutiful oi ba angang sing se ko masagi self service tok jaba adu bagi mokoi da yam character national character me yam build ton bagi adu facilities me yam su lay gre da yam na tam ki ba angang sing yam thap ki ba khoi gi angang sing school da chat pada cham walkable distance ta gi beyond the lay by Tareko Adu Mangang Singi Damatadi residential schools. It's very much important. Important. residential schools residential schools kanaba kana dabadi dum lebam toy habadi pot ama leirabani na madugi kana ba then kana dabadi dum lebam toyeba the kana ba some merit points kara amuk nei na se merit says da koina there are 3 points pige high ge kwa 3 points. Number 1, there is a very closed and personal relationship among the students and the teachers whenever needed. Habadi school do the ladies oza su lai doini na makoina hek pamak pa angang singchina oza si hek pamak pa matam se da koina whenever needed makoina hek da ka oi matam da angang singchina khangning ba haining ba kaning ba ma haining ba matam da school do da dum available oi ga ne ba dugi facilities am chaung na phange. Then compare with the day school da di sai oza sing du na chhatra sing du unana ba hona ba da khogi matam adum changani ko de oza lakta ba haibele dun hairiba difficult mayam si dagi di sagi residential school da leiba ngang sing china hena makoi facility to adu hen phange. Then number 2, they are doing the self service and it make them a responsible person and a dutiful member of future life. Haidi angang sing dong sagi makoi yam dutiful ohelle kari gi damak da makoi self service ta holle habidi makoi phi suja bo oiro then like loisan bo oiro uniform semba sabu bo oiro every makoi ne hek no magi tawga da basin makoi di masa gi self service ta dum ta holle ba angang sing aduna angang sing tung da kadore makoi si yam mathau masa khangba yam adagi masa gi mathau dum phajana tawja ba angang sing du gi character se asi chel halle ba adi haidi Suba character mayam sing chu akhoi human life se yam maru oiba because ngasagi lairik hairaga lairik tudang na di jab akhoi oibi hak tabana igi thabak igi activities mayam ma involve machida ka panina hariba residential schools ta lairiba ngang hing se yam dutiful oiba ko yam responsible person oiba gi character se chel halle degi next point they are safe from crowded and the delinquent home atmosphere. Habadi angang sing se yum khoi yam charang khoirang na ba yum se khoi mi yam na lebi yawi then khatna gan ba imung shodum yawi then neighbor da khra nin khong ba yam crowded oi ba jaga sudum lei asigumba pot achidagi di angang sing je moi shape oi rabane ba haidi residential schools to school da lai raga di angang je yung gi charang khoirang na ba yam sigi khoi mangon da yam headed oi ga da pot adu da gi yam shape oi na lai her bane ba adu di asi su sagi academic ki line da jangsen lak pa da di agi mind yam peace oi ba then agi lyric pa pham phasana lai hen ba de agi aina tong si taw mayam sing ja khoi gi yam shape oi rabane khoi sing je then this also one of the merit point of the residential schools. Next, demerit amunai na siko. Demerit magi angang sing di pot am le na mai kana bam su kana daba dum le bam thoi kana daba dam yeng se. Boarding schools are very much exclusive and the children retain their exclusiveness throughout life. Habidi number point 1 da ina demerit ki 1 point ai hai si angang sing je yam exclusive oi is haidi exclusive oi bai bi mi gi thoina khalu da bu ai gi dang dum khanja ba hai tare ko adu oi ba yam inclusive oi da exclusive oi ba duna masigi bogi wa khan je ma ne future life ta so dum magi masigi character se dum phatta barom da nai na ga na smain tholai ko habidi mana thoidok pa magi mama magi parents ki thoina khal da ba magi matom da gi khoi gi friends circle sing ga hena hena khalakpa adugumba life center habitare adugumba singche amonda hena adugumba sing character to change ba duna future life ta dim kada family dum da mo effect ro pugumba leiba ko aduna demerit rom da ne roga di asimu oidoiba. Then number 2, the boarding schools prevent parents from taking up responsibility from their children's education. Habidi mama mapa sing sing sagi angang sing china like tamba matam se sta mama mapa na loga da ba magi duties role myam do adagi na thai lai thokre ba idi mai pibam thokpa paisa khara piraga ko angang sing do gi loga da responsibilities to angang api pa angang sing je koina boarding school se thame api angang sing du gi magi mama mapa sing to goda role sing do adagi di mama sing je no na thai lai ra bane ba adu di sagi pot se is the nine di angang sing dugi child care si khogi parents sing na hena chauna role lo bani na kwa si te su phataba oina dum habidi phataba oina dum khanba su yai ba. Then last one point chi jo haipet dum mane habidi yeng se the childs are deprived from the influence of the power of the powerful parents affection. Angang sing se ngasagi number 2 gi point tu ga haibi mane ko number 2 duna mama pa singchina amu angang singsi gi responsibility si lodre haibane ba number 3 ta mune ne ga doisina angang singse khoi gi parental powerful affection haibi mama mapa na macha nusi bai natural ne ba si chajana ba ya ba thabak na te ba natural ne macha gi natural ne pithora ba dugum ba yam nusi gar ba tender love to dagi angang singje pura na thaira ga thambi khra bane ba asina kai de effect ro kai haibin ta magi personality develop to daga dum khara chu dum wa le aduna haidi ngasagi boarding schools study the child are in the hands of the teacher angang jing du khogi angang mayam ma se oja sing ni makota legera do som dadi angang sing je mama mapa ga loina jara ka dori ne ba aduna ngasagi api ba angang sing or ngasagi angang sing si di ke do have the parental affection ja si ham darkar oi ba magi any everything my physically or mentally or personality develop thoro matam da angang mama mapa sing si ga loina ba si su yam phai ba ko aduna maram aduna koina naina bada sisu one of the demerits haina khogi mama pa dina thai thamgi base sisu one of the demerits point noina then last sagi school types of school da koina syllabus da yauri technical schools abadi technical schools is meant for providing technical education in various trades koina general education sinataba the different types of trades me am like ko sigi tamham dunia ba koina technical schools hai ka doise aduna technical educations impart knowledge on the know-how of a particular trade habdi mamata know-how habdi that means aina tamgodori ba trade to the mamata na khanghan gi ba do adu bunia ba aduna khun technical education hai doise adu technical education se kadai dei phangada gi haiba matam da there are various types of technical schools such as koi example here sikwa medical engineering agriculture industries then electrical mechanic then multimedia then dance music art and painting then craft sports etc asman to the different types of trades da koina chakhiba dubu kai ko ge have matam da technical education haina ko eba technical education se it is also a type of education then last kogi non formal education gi shu agency amani khadang adum khoi mention tawjaram ge habidi non formal education gi agency singsina kari no have matam da open school or open education then correspondence course then distance education sigumba singsina non formal education gi among manung chan khre ko koina adult education program adigi khogi tv satellite program kana la is non formal education gi makada lakpa ngaktani asigi mayam singsina khogi those who are deprived from the formal system of education adugumba mi sing tuguda pina ba education makhala sibuna sagi kai kaukre open education correspondence course and distance education china non formal agency okay ngasi gi di matang se ida ina agencies of education habadi class 11 gi unit number 3 gi agencies of education the formal informal and the non formal with their agencies mayam do aina saida illusion ge